Hello and welcome to our channel where we're all about revolutionizing your sales approach. I'm Raj and today I'm thrilled to show you how Sales Coach AI will become your most effective tool for maximizing your earning potential. This isn't just about learning sales skills, it's about mastering them in a way that significantly boosts your revenue. Let's dive into the interface of Sales Coach AI and see how it can transform your sales game. In this video, we're going to continue to explore and play with one of the core features of Sales Coach AI, the guided sales roleplay. This powerful feature is designed to enhance your sales techniques by simulating real-world scenarios. Whether you're new to sales or a seasoned professional, this tool is crafted to sharpen your skills. So we're going with option A, which is choosing to directly engage with Alex's current priorities and constraints, demonstrating a willingness to understand and work within his framework. This approach is empathetic and consultative, which is crucial in sales for building trust and rapport with potential clients. So Alex appreciates our understanding and opens up about the company's current financial priorities, which include a major marketing campaign and an office expansion. However, Alex also mentions that improving team efficiency is a critical goal for the next quarter to support these initiatives. Here are our next steps. We can highlight how our software can directly support their goal of improving team efficiency, potentially freeing up resources for their other initiatives. Or we can suggest a temporary halt to the discussion until their financial situation improves. Or we can offer to connect Alex with current clients who face similar financial consideration but chose to invest in our software and saw significant returns. So we're in a sales meeting with Alex, the decision maker for a medium-sized enterprise considering our project management software. After a detailed presentation on how our software can streamline their operations and improve team productivity, Alex seems impressed but raises a concern. He says, "I see the value in your software, but it's quite an investment for us at this point. We're not sure if we can allocate the budget for this right now." So you can say, "I understand your concern about the budget. May I know what your current priorities are? And we can see if there's a way to align a solution with those." Or we can say, "Our software is indeed an investment. Let's explore the potential ROI it can bring to your company, which might justify the initial cost." Or we can say, if budget is a concern, we can look into a phased implementation, starting with the most critical features. So we chose option A, which is focusing on aligning our product's benefits directly with Alex's stated goal of improving team efficiency. This approach not only shows that we're listening and understanding their needs, but also positions our software as a solution that can help them achieve their immediate objectives, potentially justifying the investment. We proceed to explain how our software can streamline their project management processes, reduce time on manual tasks, and improve overall team collaboration. We share specific features of our software that matches their needs and even reference case studies of similar companies that achieve significant efficiency gains after implementing our solution. Alex is intrigued by the examples we provided and sees the potential impact on their operations. They express interest in discussing this further internally to reassess budget allocations. So now our options are to either offer a provided customized demo for Alex's team to showcase exactly how our software addresses their specific challenges, or we could wait for Alex to get back to us after their internal discussion, or we could immediately suggest signing a contract with a clause that allows for a trial period with a money-back guarantee. So we're going to choose a proactive and effective strategy. By offering a customized demo, we're going to be taking a significant step towards addressing Alex's interest and their team-specific needs. This approach not only demonstrates the immediate value of our software, but also allows for real-time feedback and questions from key stakeholders, potentially accelerating the decision-making process. So we're going to arrange a time for the customized demo, ensuring that all the decision makers and relevant team members can attend. During the demo, we focus on the features and benefits most relevant to their operation, using scenarios and challenges Alex previously mentioned. So we're going to go for the strategic move that builds upon the interest and momentum generated by the demo. By sending a detailed proposal, we provide Alex and their team with all the necessary information to make an informed decision, including pricing, an implementation plan, and case studies, helps to address any remaining concerns and highlights the value and feasibility of adopting our software. So that proposal reinforces the benefits and potential ROI of our software, providing a comprehensive overview that supports internal discussions at Alex's company. It serves as a valuable reference point for Alex and the decision makers to evaluate how our solution aligns with their goals and budget considerations. After reviewing the proposal and having further internal discussions, Alex reaches out to you. They express appreciation for the thoughtfulness of the information provided and indicate that our proposal has sparked productive conversations about prioritizing efficiency improvements within their budget. So Alex requests a meeting to discuss the proposal in more detail and explore potential next steps, including negotiation on pricing and implementation timelines. These are the ways we could prepare for this crucial meeting. We could focus on reinforcing the value and ROI of our software, readying answers to potential questions about implementation and support. We could prepare a list of possible concessions we could offer to close the deal, such as extended support or additional training sessions. Or we can plan to start the meeting by restating our understanding of their needs and how our software meet those needs, seeking alignment before discussing specific. Option C, which is focusing on alignment and mutual understanding at the start of the meeting. This strategy ensures that both parties are on the same page regarding the company needs and how our software provides a solution. It sets a collaborative tone for the meeting, facilitating a more productive discussion on the specifics such as pricing and implementation. At the meeting, we begin by summarizing our understanding of their challenges and goals, emphasizing how our software addresses these points. Alex and their team nod in agreement, appreciating our attentiveness and the software's potential. So, encouraged by the alignment and the clear benefits of our software, the conversation moves towards the practicalities of implementation and investment. Alex expresses a strong interest in proceeding, but mentions the need for some adjustments of the proposal to better fit their budget. So given Alex's interest and the need for some negotiation, how should we proceed? We could either offer flexible options or a phased implementation plan to alleviate budget concerns. We could stand firm on pricing, but offer additional value through free training sessions or an extended warranty period. Or we could suggest a smaller initial pilot project with a smaller team or department, which could be expanded based on success. Our choice now will directly influence the deal's closing, balancing between accommodating Alex's needs and maintaining the. So we're going to suggest a flexible payment option and a phased implementation plan. This approach directly addresses Alex's budget concerns while maintaining the integrity of our pricing structure. It demonstrates our willingness to work with them to facilitate the adoption of our software, highlighting our commitment to their success. Alex is receptive to this idea, appreciating the flexibility and understanding it represents. The solution allows them to manage their budget more effectively while still gaining access to the benefits of our software. The phased implementation also helps them feel more confident in the investment as it minimizes risk and allows for gradual integration into their. So this scenario demonstrates the importance of listening to and addressing potential client concerns with empathy and flexibility. By focusing on creating a solution that met Alex's needs while still aligning with the company's offerings, we were able to navigate objections and close the deal successfully. Now that the deal is moving forward, how do we ensure a smooth onboarding process and maintain a strong relationship with Alex's company? We could either immediately schedule a kickoff meeting with all key stakeholders to outline the implementation plan and set expectations, or we could wait for Alex to reach out with a date for the kickoff meeting, giving them space to organize their team, or we could send a detailed onboarding checklist and timelines to Alex, asking them to review and suggest a time for a kickoff call. And we have to be mindful that our choice here will set the tone for the implementation phase and our ongoing relationship with the client, ensuring the successful adoption of our software. And we're going to send a detailed onboarding, which demonstrates proactive communication and organization, which are crucial for a smooth onboarding process. So we're going to send a detailed onboarding checklist and timelines to Alex. We're providing them with a clear roadmap of what to expect and the steps required for successful implementation. This approach allows Alex to prepare adequately and engage their team effectively, ensuring that everyone is aligned from the start. So impressed by our thoroughness and ease of the process, Alex feels confident in their decision to move forward with the company. They express gratitude for the clear guidance and support, setting a positive tone for the partnership. During the kickoff meeting, all key stakeholders are present and our team outlines the implementation plan, addressing any questions and ensuring mutual understanding of roles, responsibilities, and expectations. The meeting concludes with excitement and anticipation for the improvements and efficiency your software will bring. So this whole scenario highlights the importance of effective communication, preparation, and customer support in the sales process, especially post-sale during the onboarding phase. By prioritizing the client's needs and ensuring clarity and alignment, we've laid the foundation for successful implementation and long-term partnership. So thank you for joining me on another episode on Sales Coach AI. I really hope this session has provided valuable insights into the capabilities of Sales Coach AI. My goal is to consistently bring actionable content that will make a significant difference in your sales career. If you appreciate our approach and want to keep learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our latest videos. You could explore Sales Coach AI further by visiting the link in the description below. And we always look forward to hearing from you. Drop us a comment with your thoughts, questions, or what you'd like to see in future content. Until our next video, keep honing your skills and pushing the boundaries